In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Hostinger promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go into your web browser and search up Hostinger promo code like this, then click go. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website grab on. I'm gonna click on this website. So once you're here, that's the logo for Hostinger, and the first one says up to 85% off. And as you guys can see that it's a verified code, so it's gonna work for you. So then you can click on it up to 85% off, and it's gonna automatically copy the code. So that's the code grab on, and then it's gonna automatically redirect you to the store, and you can use this code at checkout. Well, you can also go and explore other codes as well. So as you guys can see, there's an 85% off, there's a 93% off, and many other codes. So you can give tries to all of these. Let's say if they don't work, you can always go and try other codes as well. So now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more codes. So now I'm gonna go to this website, CNET Coupon. I'm gonna wait for the web page to load. Alright, so this one is there, 50% off. So I can click show coupon, and that's the coupon for 50% off. You can click get coupon, and it's gonna copy it. Well, then there's another one here, $15 off with this promo code. Click show coupon code, and that's the coupon code for a $15 off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.